My dear brothers and sisters of Kadapa city, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are pleased to extend our warm invitation to you for the 76th Independence Day celebration, which will take place tomorrow on Tuesday at 7 Road Circle, Kadapa. The event is scheduled to commence at 7 o'clock in the morning. As we come together to commemorate the cherished occasion of our nation's Independence Day, we will be hoisting the flag and renewing our pledge to safeguard India's freedom, democracy and secular values. This event holds great significance as a national program transcending all differences and uniting us as proud citizens of India. Regardless of your background or faith, your presence will contribute to the diversity and unity that define our great nation. We kindly request your punctual attendance at the venue by 7 a.m. Let us collectively express our unwavering love for India and reaffirm our commitment to its prosperity and progress. Your participation will truly honor us and enhance the spirit of patriotism that this day represents. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.